Which of the following is a marsupial?
The correct answer is kangaroo.
What is the largest land mammal?
The correct answer is African elephant.
Which mammal is capable of true flight?
The correct answer is bat.
Which of these mammals lays eggs?
The correct answer is platypus.
Which marine mammal is known for its tusks?
The correct answer is walrus.
Which mammal is the fastest on land?
The correct answer is cheetah.
What kind of mammal is a dolphin?
The correct answer is cetacean.
Which mammal sleeps the most, up to 20 hours?
The correct answer is koala.
Which of these mammals has the longest neck?
The correct answer is giraffe.
Which mammal is known for its armor-like shell?
The correct answer is armadillo.
Which mammal has the most powerful bite force?
The correct answer is hippopotamus.
Which of the following is not a mammal?
The correct answer is penguin.
Which mammal has the thickest fur?
The correct answer is sea otter.
Which mammal uses echolocation to navigate?
The correct answer is bat.
Which mammal can spend the longest time underwater without breathing?
The correct answer is sperm whale.